weird. My headphones are just like, I can't hear with this headphone. They're like, you can see all of these knots. There's lots of them. Lots of them. There's this one. And there's this one. It's really obnoxious. They're all obnoxious. Like I heard this one. And sitting in I don't know what you're calling this cat. Oh, my cat's being annoying. Swag. 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 Just like the rest of the videos, just give me swag. Swag. And whatever this is. This is called swag. I don't like being sick. It's like I got done playing The Sims 4. Now you're sick. That shook your skin. This is I was like scared. I'm just like I'm gonna sit and have a happy day. No, you're not. You're gonna be sick. Says my body. Or at least my brain. Whatever got me sick. Probably my dick. My dad probably got me sick. 11 one. That's 11. My dad got little cherry ones. I don't like this. I don't like this. It was like I got the Sims 4 Create a Sim demo, and I got like the Sims 30 on here. I'm just like, they're both open. I don't care. Now I got a lot of stuff. Look at my water bottle. I've got so many Google tabs open, maybe like 5. Got everything. Wait, doesn't a mouse show up on the webcam? I just want to know. Does it? Does it? Does it? Okay. That's enough randomness for now. Emily, bye! Emoji.